Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect your HyperX Cloud Alpha to NGENUITY in 2026. So to begin with, the HyperX Cloud Alpha is primarily a 3.5 mm wired headset, which means that it has limited or no direct support in HyperX and NGENUITY. So first of all, NGENUITY only detects the devices that connect via USB with the supported hardware. So if you are using Cloud Alpha with the 3.5 mm jack, it may not appear in the software. So in order to use it, you need to have the HyperX USB sound card or any external USB adapter, and then you need to connect your headset via it. After that, simply plug the USB into your PC, and now you need to open your NGENUITY software. Now in some cases, the software may detect the USB device and allow limited controls. Even if detected, the customization may be limited as compared to the newer models out there. You may be able to adjust the basic audio settings with it, the mic levels depending on the adapter that you are using. But some of the newest features like equalizers and the advanced tuning may not be available. Since NGENUITY support is limited, you can use Windows sound settings for better control. This is going to give you more flexibility for audio tuning. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.